Ready? Close.
See you. Okay.
Shut.
Mr. Vice President, my connection is Prime Minister of the Republic of Macedonia.
Nice to see you. Great pleasure for me. Thank you. Thank you for all this. President of the government. I like vice presidents. Our Minister of Foreign Affairs.
I could also be a vice president.
My Vice for Foreign Affairs.
We last spoke in July. We've done leadership, and the President and I are looking very much forward.
For us, it's great honor. It's very powerful message to our citizens. Thank you personally, because the first motivation came, it personally motivated me during the years, also in the region. I wish you all the best. You personally in the United States.
Next year.
Next year I will wait here.
Okay. Very good.
Thank you.
Very good. Thank you, sir.
Ready? Close. Shut.